Namaste children. So as I told you, to find the square root we are having two methods. First one was prime factorization method that I had told you earlier. The second one is division method. Just see how to find the square root by division method. This is little bit similar to division. Okay, not completely but little bit. How to do it, just see. First the number is 4489. This is by division method. Okay, first what we have to do in this, we have to pair it. And when we pair it, in one pair there should be two digits. And the pairing should be always starting from the right to left. From right side we have to start and we have to take it to the left. So how it will be? First pair will be 98. Then next pair will be 44. Okay, now let us do normal division. But when we divide, we should start it from the normal. When we do division from the left side itself. Now always when we are taking, take the pair number. What is here? 44. First pair is 44. Just think that which square number comes near to 44. Adana 1 square 1, 2 square 2, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. So okay, 7 square 49. If I am taking 7 square 14, it will be 49. It will be greater than that. Then that is not possible. Division level so take the just before that, and then 6 square. What is 6 square? 36. Other possible answer. So what we have to do? We have to write here 6. This is the place of divisor. Okay, 6 this is the quotient space. Answer the space and 6 square into 6 square is 36. Or 6 or 6 into 6 36 here. Okay, now what you have to do here? Extra, what is division? Division allande, what is extra we are taking here? Which number square was 36? 6, no? So take 1 6 below this. Whichever is the number, take 1 6 below this. Now add it. And this one you have to subtract. Inside one you have to subtract and outside one you have to add it. Now when you subtract, 6 plus 6 will be 12. Now here, when you subtract, how much you will be getting here? 6. Directly I am doing. Okay. Sorry, it's not 6, 8. Okay. Now you got here 8. 44 minus 36, 8. Now what? Next step. Next step, we have completed our first step. Next what you have to do? Take down the next pair down. Which is our next pair here? 89. So we have to take it down. 89 we have to take it down. Complete 89. Okay, that pair should be completely taking down. So 89. So our number is 889. What divisor will be changed? If, starting it was 6, now it is 12. But Sadhika 12 how we are doing? We have to take one more number. Normally what we do, 12 into 6 division. But in this we don't do. This is a 2-digit number. Now we have to change this into 3-digit number by putting a number here in one's place. So it can be anything. Suppose I am taking 2. Multiply 2. So 4 4 2. Not possible. 12. 2 let us take here 5. Either number okay. But only thing is that if I am taking 5, I should multiply this 125 by 5. If I am taking here 4, I should multiply this 124 by 4. So 125 into 5, 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 5 into 1, 5, 6. Now also it is not possible. Now take some other number, 120. When you 6 it comes, 7 it comes, I am taking 7. Okay, take 7 here. 1, 2, 7. So 12 I have taken 7. So I will be multiplying 127 by 7 itself. 7 to 7, 49. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 7 into 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So we got 889. So which number we have put here? 7. Extra charges in the 7. So 1 7 I will be putting it here. Okay. Other 7 I will be putting in the answer place. And 1 7 I will be putting it here. Now 3 7 I have written 3 6. 1 6 here, other 1 6 here, and below 1 6. Same way every time we have to write 3 times a digit. 7 here, other 7 here, and third 7 here. Now 127 to 7, how much you got? 889. Subtract it, you will be getting 0. If again you have to do it, you have to again this one you have to add it and do it. But here we have completed. We got remainder as 0. So what is our final answer here? Our final answer is square root of 4489 equal to square root of 4489, that is 4489 equal to 67. This is the answer. Listen, I am telling you, you just go again. When I give you this problem, you do it once again and see, then only you will understand it. Okay. So, giving you other one. $576. Same way, what you have to do here? 5, 7, 6. Pair it from the right. You want to pair left. You can't pair it from the left side. You have to start it from the right. So first, okay, 76. Then here only one digit. Remaining one item. Okay, one digit. Now let us see it. First pair is 5. Okay, 5. 1 into 1, 1. That is 1 square, 1. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 3 square pattilya. Because 3 square is 9. 9 will be greater than this number. So it is not possible. So just before that, what did we get? 2. 2 square equal to 4. That we can write it. 1, 2 here. Other 2 here. And 1 more 2 here. So you have to write 3 times. 2 into 2, 4. You have to write it here. Okay. Now what do you do? This 2 number you have to subtract. And this 2 you have to add. Now 2 plus 2, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. So next take the next number down, 7, 6. Okay, 7. Next pair you have to take it down, 76. Now here we are having 4. With this 4 I will be taking a number. With that same number I had to multiply it so that I will be getting 176. Suppose I am taking here 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 4, 8. Not possible. Okay. Let us take a little bit bigger number. I am taking again 4. 2, 3 I am not taking, 4 I am taking. 4, here also 4. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So I got it. What is here? 4. So 1 4 here, other 4 here, third 4 here. So it will be 176. When I subtract, I will be getting 0. So our final answer will be here. Answer is square root of 576 equal to 24. Hope you have understood little bit. I am giving some more examples. See it properly, okay? So next one is 7921. So it will be 7921. Pair it. Here one pair, here one pair. Okay. Now which is our first pair here? 79. Just see the square numbers. Okay. 79 correspond 1 square, 2 square. See all the numbers. 5 square is 25. 6 square 36. 7 square 49. Go on seeing it. So what will be getting? 8 square 64. Okay. 9 square 81. 9 square but 2. 9 square is not possible. So which one will be taking? 8 square. So 8 into 8 is 64. 9 into 9 81. 9 into 9 81. We can't take it. We have to take 8 into 8 64. 1 8 here. 1 8 here. 1 8 here. Okay. 3 8. Now 8 into 8 64. This you have to subtract and this one you have to add. 8 plus 8 16. Subtract this. You will be getting 15. Now one step has been completed. Now take the next pair down. Which is our next pair here? 21. Okay. Now here 16. Go on multiplying it by numbers. Listen here. In 8th you are doing some problems based on the perfect square. So obviously last one angle, that means it is clear it will be square of either 1 or 9. Because 1 into square 1 line 9 into square 81 1 line. So we can, for ease simplicity, if you want you can take 1 or 9. 1 is not possible. 1 edukanning endavu 161 thanne kitta. You just see 9. 9 into 9 81. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8 will be 62. 9 into 1 9. 9 plus 6 15. So which is the number 9. So here 1 9, here 1 9, here 1 9. This will be 1521. So square root of 7921 is 89. Okay. Now this is little bit bigger number, 99,856. So how to do it? See, 9 9 8 5 6. First let us pair it. Pair it from the last. This one. So how many pairs are there? 3 pairs. In last problem we were having only 2 pairs, but here how many pairs are there? 3 pairs. അപ്പോൾ 3 പ്രാവശ്യം ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും. Okay, 3 steps will be there. First of all, let us take here 9. Okay, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Exactly 9 then. Okay, so 1 3 here, here 1 3, here 1 3, and here 1 3. 3 into 3 9. Okay. Now this we will be adding it, and this one we will be subtracting it. 3 plus 6, 3, 6. 9 plus 9, so 9 minus 9, 0. Now take the next pair down. What is here? 98. Okay. Listen here, when you are adding this, don't go and put here 6 in this way. Then there will be no space to write the other number. So keep little bit gap. Keep little bit gap so that you can write the other digit here. Now we got 98. Now take this 6. With this 6, you just see which number should be multiplied so that we will be getting nearby 98. If 1, 6, 1, 1, 61. If 2, then 6 into 2, 62 into 2. 2 into 2, 4, 6 into 2, 12. Is it possible? This is not possible because this is greater than 98. So what will be possible? 1. So here 1, here 1, here 1. 3 1 I have put here. 61 into 61, 61. This will be subtracting, this will be adding. Okay. Now 61 into 1 will be 62. Minus idanta kitta 37. Now next take the next pair down. Next pair is 56. Next pair is 56. So let us take 56 below here. Okay. Now take 6 T2. Same way, take a number here. With same number you should multiply so that you will be getting this number or nearby. Now as I told you 6 alone. 8 into square 6 into 6 36 alone. Let us see directly for 6 itself. That's the easy method. 2 no come, 3 no come, but we know this is a perfect square. Okay. So directly we can take for 6 itself. 6 only no come. 6 into 6 36. 6 into 2 12. 12 plus 3 15. 6 into 6 36. 36 plus 1 37. So what we got it. So which is the number? 6. So 1 6 here, other 6 here, third 6 here. When you multiply this two, you got 3756. Subtract it, you will be getting 0. So what is the square root of this number? Square root of 99,856 is 316. Okay, one more last problem I am telling you. Next one, it is 9,98,001. So in this, as I told you, first pair it. One pair, second pair, third pair. Okay, now first of all let us say 90, first pair is our 99. Okay, so 99 you just see, 99 comes in here, which square? 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. 10 square no come, don't take 2 digit number, only go only till 1 digit number. 1 digit number vare matram poya madi. Which is the greatest 1 digit number? 9. So you see 9 square is 81, you take for 9. So see only till 1 digit number. Last 1 digit number is our greatest 1 digit number is 9. Adavara poya madi. Don't go for 10. Okay. So we know that 9 into 9 81. So 1 9 here, 1 9 here, 1 9 here. 9 into 9 81. This will be subtracted, this will be added. 9 plus 9 18. When we subtract this, we will be getting here 18. Okay. Now let us take the next pair down. Which is our next pair here? 80. Okay. Now 18. With this number we have to take a number so that it will be coming at least 1880 or nearer to 1880. 1880. So if I am taking here 4. Multiply this also by 4. 18 kuda 4 udtu 4 undane multiply cheyu. 4 into 4 16. Here 1. 8 into 4 32. 32 plus 1 33. 4 into 1 4. 4 plus 3 7. Not possible. In your one. So let us take some big number. Okay. Little bit big number. So I am taking 5 in Okanda. Let us see for 7. Okay. So 8 into kuda 7. Here also 7. 7 into 7 49. Okay. Now 8 into 7 56. 56 plus 4 60. 7 into 1 7. 7 plus 6 13. Again this is not possible. Okay. So let us take some other number. 18 kuda suppose I am taking 8. Here also 8. So 18 kuda 8 below also 8. So 18 into 8. Sorry, 8 into 8 64. 8 into 8 60. Again 8 into 8 64. 64 plus 6 will be 70. 8 into 1 8. 8 plus 7 15. Again it is big. Now let us take next big number. Next number after 8 it will be 9. So 189. 189. 9 to 9 81. Okay. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 8 80. 9 into 1 9. 9 plus 8. Okay. As I told you, take only till 9. Don't take for 10. One digit. Next number is 10. Don't put that. Only greatest one digit number. So stop there. Okay. So we can write here 1 9 here, 1 9 here, and third 9 here. So this will be 1701 when we subtract it. So this one add it, this one subtract it. So 189 into 9 will be 1701. Now let us subtract it. So when you subtract it, how much you will be getting here? This will be 7 and this will be 10. So 9 7 1. Add it. 1 9 8. Okay. Now take down the next pair, which is our next pair here. Okay. So now let us do it. 1 9 8. We have to put a number here, same number here, and we have to multiply. Now we came to the end. Okay. Now which is the last number here? 1. 1 is the square of which number? 1 under square root, 9 under square root. So directly let us see for 9 whether it is possible or not. Okay. If it is a perfect square, then only it will be possible. Okay, 9. 9 into 9, 81. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 8 will be 80. Okay. Again 8 into 1, sorry, 9 into 9, 81. 81 plus 8 will be 89. So here 8 and here 9. 9 into 1, 9. 9 plus 8, okay. So you got 17,901. That is same. So what is here? 9, 1 9 here, 1 9 here, 1 9 here, 17901. Subtract it, we will be getting an answer 0. So square root of 9,98,001 is 999. So this is the final answer. Hope you have understood. Just listen here. Do it once again in your notebook by closing your book and do it once again. Then only you will understand whether it is clear or not. Okay. If any doubt, we will be discussing it in tomorrow's session. Okay. Thank you.